Now, yesterday at the Texas Capitol, there were new testimony from the whistleblowers who brought Ken Paxton to the FBI. The impeachment trial against suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton began its second week with new details into allegations of bribery and abuse of office. Ryan Chandler has more.
We heard from Ken Paxton's former Director of Criminal Justice, Mark Penley. He testified that he refused to comply with orders that he believed were illegal from Ken Paxton. And in turn, Paxton moved to fire him in retaliation. Meanwhile, other ethical issues were brewing inside the Attorney General's office relating to the alleged affair that Paxton had with another woman. That testimony given inside of a tense chamber in front of Paxton's wife.
We were the only ones that could stop it.
Ken Paxton's former Director of Criminal Justice, Mark Penley, detailing repeated warnings he gave his boss after he says Paxton used his power to disrupt a federal investigation as a favor to his campaign donor, Nate Paul.
I also told him there was great risk to him. This could look like bribery. This could turn into a criminal charge against him. I told him this could turn into a media scandal if it got out.
The concerns stem from a U.S. attorney's investigation into Nate Paul's alleged financial crimes. Paxton hired an outside attorney to handle Paul's case against the objections of his advisors. Defense arguing whistleblowers went to the FBI without evidence.
Did you bring any documentary evidence or physical evidence to the FBI?
No documents, no physical evidence.
If you had any documentary evidence of a crime by Ken Paxton, you would have brought it to the FBI. Yes?
No.
No, you wouldn't have?
No, this was an initial report by eyewitnesses.
Later, Paxton's chief of staff with private details into Paxton's affair.
He confirmed that he, in fact, was having an extramarital affair. Yes.
Kerry arguing the affair wasn't just a private matter, but could harm the public.
These things can open one up to bribery, misuse of office.
Paxton's wife, State Senator Angela Paxton, listening intently in the jury as Kerry remembers when she urged Paxton to come clean.
My heart broke for her.
And we are expecting a verdict in this case as soon as this week. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick expects deliberations to wrap up by about Thursday. Senators will then deliberate behind closed doors until they reach a decision. At the Texas Capitol, I'm Ryan Chandler. Back to you.